Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can build a landing page such as this for your business and get people to click on it and direct them to wherever you want to. Okay, a link in bio page is simply a landing page where you have call to action buttons containing links that you want to lead your prospective clients to. You can also use it as a landing page to share your products services. Okay, like this one we have over here, a simple link in bio landing page for a food vendor, where if you click on the Instagram link, this is where it's going to lead you to. I think this is a very beautiful fancy page. These are some of the features that are on this page, and all are done for you on Taplink, and it is free. Okay, special shout out to Everything Classy Kitchen for letting us use her brand to create this video tutorial. You can also check out her IG page. Click the link on their bio so you can view this page that we just created. Alright, without wasting much of our time, I'm just going to jump on it and show you how we can design it. Alright, so in my previous video I showed us how we can create a Taplink account, generate our unique link, and we were able to create this link in bio, simple link in bio page. Okay, so for today we are going to be creating the landing page I just showed us. For the purpose of this design, we're going to be using a pre-made template. Just click on new profile here, as you can see. All right, so we're going to just click on the link in bio here. It's going to bring us to this interface. Okay, here are pre-made templates. These are series of templates you can choose from. Weekend. Now this is the template. All right, I'm going to choose it. Choose here, click on choose. Now we have it. All of these red icons that you can see here, indication that you should change it to whatever it is you want. Okay, once you click on it, you see you can now change it to whatever it is you want to. So this will be your brand name. Our brand name is Everything Classy Kitchen. Let's save it. Save it for it to effect. Notice the warning sign has removed, so we are going to do that for every other thing. Subheading. Copy this one. Okay, save changes. We want to still add more write-ups. Click on add block. We want to add text. Okay, copy, save changes. Let us design the button. I'm going to click on the button now. We come here, we don't about me, and what did we have there on one of those calls? We have food tray. Okay, now for the purpose of this tutorial I will just put Google, but it is advisable you already have like an autoresponder. You create a link for autoresponder. Once they click, it's going to send a direct message into your WhatsApp message or WhatsApp automation. But for this tutorial we're going to just use google.com. so once you click, it's going to take you to Google. All right, we are not done yet. We're supposed to add like an icon here on the search. You just type food. We can decide to pick this tray. This is the icon we use. We click on this icon and we apply the icon. Save changes. You see we have the icon there, right? Now there's one other thing we want to do to the button, which is to add shadows to the design. Right, we come to design, we come down to shadow, offset, Y offset to the transparency. We'll reduce it to 60%, as the case may be. All right, now let's apply it. Let's see what comes up. If we want to add like colors to the border, we just come here, give, let's say the border, let's make it 1, then for the shadow 3. Okay, then increase the transparency to 30 and let's apply it. Okay, so you can see there's a bit of difference between the buttons. All we have to do now is duplicate that button. Click on it, click on action, duplicate. All right, so we have been able to duplicate one more button to include. All we just do is hold down on one of the buttons, duplicate, drag it down, because this is where we're putting it. Then we'll delete this one, delete. We'll click on this button and change it. Now one other thing we'll want to do is to change this icon here. Okay, now we'll just click on it, search for the keyword chef. Okay, apply it. Here we go. Pull down, duplicate it, take it to the top. Next, you want to add the frequently asked question. So what we'll do is we'll add block, we'll add text. The text now is for the heading. Okay, align to the center, save changes. Let's add another block, which is the frequently asked questions block. This section, you have the questions you want to put and the answers. We're going to use just one. Copy, paste it, copy and paste it. Okay, there we go. Once you click on it, the answer comes out. Okay, next we're going to add more frequently asked questions, so I'm going to pause this video. Now we are done adding the rest of the frequently asked question. Next is we will add social media icons. Add block. What we'll click on is media and text. Okay, common icons. Let's search for the icon Instagram. Use this one, apply it. Here we go, you have one icon, right? This is what it will look like. The icons are still too big. Let's adjust it a bit. Come here, reduce it to 24 pixels. I think this is better. We are done with the design. Next is adding aesthetics. For the brand name, duplicate this, go into this, we delete this part, save changes. This is a bit tricky. Delete this aspect, save changes. Okay, all right, click on everything, click here, change it from a small header to a large headline. Change the fonts here. I'm going to pick this one, save changes. Now for the small heading, let's change the color, make it black, and save changes. If you agree with me, that space there has made it, giving it some separation. So all we need to do is click on settings, vertical indent, click on it, yes. Then for the top padding, we say no top padding. We now save changes. We come to everything, we do the same thing. For vertical indent, for bottom padding, we say no bottom padding, then we save changes. Come down to best surprise food, we reduce it to, let's say, large text. Then we change the fonts to caveats, save changes. For this right up here, we want to change the colors. It's a simple trick. All you need to do is highlight to the part where you want to change the color. I will select a color. I'm going to use this one and apply. There you have it. For the profile picture, I'm going to use a company's logo. You can decide to use your picture. So let's make it bigger, save changes. Okay, let's come down to the frequently asked questions. Once you're here, use it from medium text, large headline, change the font to this. Say change the colors, save changes. The S to be like a small letter. Click on section. We come to where they say section off, you turn it on. Click on it and we click on primary section. Come to where you see the text here, edit the headline. Instead of uppercase, click on standard, save changes. We have the capital letter and the small letter. Now I want all these frequently asked sections to have the same colors. I'll just drag it down here and we are good to go. To differentiate between the questions and answers, we come into the design and change the question side to bold. Let's view it and see. Now once you've been able to do that, you can now differentiate between the question and the answer. Now I'm just going to add one feature to it. I'm going to add a divider to the bottom. Save changes. Let me edit this a bit. Indent. One of the call to action button. Let's add an animation. Go to design. this is the animation, and we'll pick which one we want to use. Let's say we want to use pause. Save changes, and let's see. This is the final result of what we've been able to do to this page. Okay guys, this is it. I've been able to create this beautiful link in bio page using just our smartphone, and in less than 30 minutes you have been able to achieve this. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell for when next I drop videos on how to optimize your social media presence. So if there's any question or there's something you want me to throw more light on, please drop your questions in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer them for you. Till in our next video, I'll say goodbye for now.